皆さんこんにちは。JP11 Chapter 2. Today you're going to start learning T form. And today's topic is when to use T form. Please open page 52. This section continues on till page 61. Throughout the video, I might refer to page 51, but I was using the old edition at that time, so please think it as page 52. Your edition has page 52 for this T form, when to use T form. Okay, so you have learned dictionary form. This is another verb form. It's called T form. Okay, so here, reason why you learn T form in this chapter. T form is used when you ask someone to do something for you. We call it command. Okay, so for example, hand in your homework. I might say in classroom, or someone say to you, eat this cake. I made it for you yesterday, so please eat this cake. Okay, so those are commands asking you to do something. So in this chapter, you already learned how to describe where things are. Now I would like you to learn how to guide someone to get to a certain place. Okay, so take a look at this picture. Okay, so in this situation, you might say in Nihongo, あの通りで, so over there, that street, over there, 右に曲がって turn right. 本屋は学校の隣ですよ. The bookstore is right next to the school. So the police officer is guiding the senior citizen to the bookstore. That's where she wants to go. Okay, so that's the command. That's when you use T form. Only one of the occasions you would use T form. There are many more occasions that you would need T form in a sentence pattern. So we are going to take a look at all these 4 of them. So the first one, when you use T form, when you are required to use T form, is when you are describing actions in sequence. Actions in sequence. Like you do one thing and then after that you do something else. Okay, so you need T form first and then put a comma and you have another sentence or more like a clause, and at the end of the sentence you might have masu, mashita. Negative is possible too. Okay. So for example 1, you have this example on page 51. 今日朝起きて顔を洗いました. I got up this morning and then washed my face. So first action is getting up and the second action is washing a face. Okay, so 2 actions, one after another. Example 2, this is something you don't have on that page. いつもクラスに行って日本語を勉強します. I always go to class and study Japanese. So the first action is going to the class and the second action is studying. Okay, so actions in sequence. Okay, second one is positive, something called positive command. Please do something. Okay. It's a command and I put positive because it's not please do not do something. Okay, it's positive, affirmative, right? So if you'd like someone to ask someone to do something, you need T form, and if you want to be polite, you add ください. You can do without kudasai. It's okay. In Japanese, without please, it's not that rude. Okay. So this is the main reason why you are learning this te form in chapter 2. Example 1. This is something you have on page 51. 日本語で話してください。日本語で話してください。日本語で by means of. So in Japanese, 話して comes from 話します。So please speak in Japanese. Okay. Example 2. 私に電話してください。私に to me に to me 電話してください to call someone is 電話します so 電話して the te form of 電話します and then ください please call me いいですかはいじゃあ次に行きます Okay next one number 3A is prohibition okay, you must not do something For this as well, you need te form, and after te form, you have wa ikemasen. This ha is read as wa because it's a relational. You can also say wa dame desu. Example 1. 教室でジュースを飲んではいけません。飲みます is to drink, and 飲んで is a te form of 飲みます。Okay, so 教室でジュースを飲んではいけません。You must not drink juice in the classroom. Example 2. 今、外に行ってはいけません。You must not go out now. You must not go outside now. いいですか? So it's a prohibition. You must not do something. Okay, next one is 3B, permission. You may do something. You need te form and もいいです. If you use this in a question form, then it means may I do something. And you have used this in classroom already. Like may I go to the washroom or may I go to the locker, right? So example 1 is トイレに行ってもいいです. You may go to the washroom. And the second one is トイレに行ってもいいですか? So this is a question you always ask me when you want to go to the washroom. May I go to the washroom? Okay, last one. When to use te form? Number 4, actions in progress. To be and verb form ing. So te form plus imasu for present form, or imashita past form. You can also use negative to describe something you are not doing or you were not doing in the past. Example 1. 今ランチを食べています。I am eating my lunch now. ランチを食べて comes from 食べます. That's a te form of 食べます. Second example is 昨日勉強していました. So this is past action. I was studying yesterday. 勉強します is a mass form to study. 勉強して is its te form. Okay. So this is it. Okay, so after this video, I want you to watch another video where I explain how to change mass form to te form. Okay, 終わりです。頑張ってね。さよなら。